Hey beautiful people, we are at another property. Now this isn't Tarpon Bay, this is technically still like Kane City, but you guys are definitely going to love this one here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and the prices is so good. So if you guys thinking about being in Orlando, this right here can be kind of equivalent to, you know, you being to being in Orlando, but you guys will have to travel just a little bit. I would say you guys are gonna have to travel about 30 minutes to get to Disney if you want to think about how far away this is. Now they are offering a 4.75 interest rate. They are offering that for first-time home buyers, and then they also have $15,000 in closing cost credits. Some homes are only going to be able to get $12,000, I believe, but all of their appliances are included, like their refrigerator, stove, washer, and dryer. So that is something that I really like. Now let me just do a quick run through just to show you everything, and then we can go and look at all the details of this home for sure. So this is the primary bedroom. This in this community, you guys can build. They have a lot of land over here, and you guys still will be early, so you're going to build a lot of equity from being in this home, by building this home early. So that is something that I really love. If you guys love this home or any other homes that I show you guys, make sure you guys call or text me 407-374-2747. So definitely make sure you guys call or text me, and I'll be happy to show you any of the homes that I'm showing you now and help you with that build process too. So that's good. Then I'll tell you guys how you can get more money to go towards your down payment too. So let's start in the beginning and actually really look at the house, okay? Let's go slow and actually look at this house. So this house is called the Excite. It is 1,500 square feet, a little bit more. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage. And this is the front door. So when you first come in, this is the view that you are going to get when you first come in. So it's really nice. You can see all the way to the backyard, which is really nice. When you go to the right, that's when you're going to have 2 of your bedrooms. So this is one of your bedrooms. And it's like a standard closet. You see this in a lot of homes. If you guys are watching a lot of the videos that I'm sending you, this is like the standard closet for most of the homes, especially in one of the secondary bedrooms or these other bedrooms. You're going to see this is like the standard closet. Then this is the full bathroom. Really pretty. I love the tile. I love the tub. So that's the bathroom. Then also here is another bedroom. I love that. Now this is gonna be extra, you guys, doing something like this wall, this accent wall. That is definitely extra. I don't know if they're even gonna be able to do that. You're probably gonna have to do it yourself, but YouTube University will teach you all of that. And again, this is the standard closet in here. Don't forget, you're going to get all of your appliances included, even your washer and dryer here. So that is really nice that you're going to have that included. And this over here is most likely going to be your furnace. So this is where all of that will be, right here in your laundry room. And this right here is most likely your garage. So that's what your garage can look like. But they use that for storage, okay? But that's what your garage is going to look like. Hi. And then this right here is very open concept living room, dining room, and also your kitchen. You have a pantry here. But you have a lot of cabinet space, so you don't have to worry about putting too much in your pantry because you do have a lot of cabinet space. And like I said to you, you're going to get your appliances included, so you're going to get your fridge, your microwave, your stove, and also you should have your dishwasher over on this side. Yep, the dishwasher here. So you're going to have that all included. And here's your garbage disposal. So this is really nice. This would be really nice. You guys can actually entertain your guests. And it's very, very open so you can see everything. And then your bedroom is going to be right over here. So I definitely like that. Perfect. Let's go ahead and look at this backyard. So this technically will be what your yard would look like. I just love that. This is nice to have in your backyard. It just look elegant. I really like that. And you can see right there, Tarpon Bay. Can y'all see that? Tarpon Bay. So definitely call or text me, you guys, if you have any questions. And also, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved, I just connected with another real estate broker that told me some amazing things, like 1% down for conventional. Yes, you guys, conventional. 1% down for conventional. Also, if you guys are moving to Florida, she told me a nice way that you guys can be able to move to Florida without having to technically, get your job and all that set up. You can get your house already over here. So I really, really like that. So definitely call or text me if you have any questions or you need help getting approved, because I definitely really happy to help you. I do like that they have this additional storage in here. This is really, really nice. A lot of storage in here on the cabinets. This is really nice. Now, when you guys are building your homes, they have different models. So you guys can get different things. But if you want to say, okay, I want this type of cabinets, this type of hardware, you guys can switch those different things around. And you just find the model that's best for you. So hopefully you guys love this home. And hopefully you guys will be able to find your dream home, no matter where you're at. So I help all the way around the United States. I don't care where you're at in the world. I can help you. I can definitely help you, especially if you want to buy in the United States. I am connected with so many realtors. So even if you want to buy in certain areas in Florida, if I have to connect you with someone else, I will be happy to help you get connected as long as you get your house. That's the goal. Whatever you want to get, I just want to make sure that you are able to get it. And that is the complete goal. So if I can help you with anything, definitely call me, 407-374-2747. And also, you guys, if your credit is not the best, I have been getting so much better with this increase in credit scores. So that is really good, and it's legal too, you guys. I like to say that. It's very, very